What's going on, guys? It's Matt with No BS Beard Reviews. Don't worry, I haven't gone anywhere. I'm still here, back again with another awesome video. Today, we're talking about Barbu Beard Company. So, Barbu has been a long-time supporter of this channel. Abraham gave me a shot when I was just getting started with this channel years ago to review his great beard products. And so I've teamed up with Abraham again to bring you a review of their newest scent, the Ronin. This is a really good scent. And then I've also got one of his beard butters we'll talk about here shortly. You can find these guys at barbubeardco.com. I'll leave a link in the description below. Let's talk pricing real quick. So your 1 ounce bottle of oil goes for $19. Your 2 ounce beard butter here goes for $20. And what's interesting about this beard butter, it's a la carte. And so, you know, he doesn't have all his scents all the time on his website. He makes them to order, which is really cool because you get the freshest ingredients possible. And then we've also got here a really cool t-shirt. And so Barbu makes probably my favorite t-shirts in the beard game. Super soft, tagless, soft t-shirt. We've got the logo up front, pops, that red really pops on that blue. We've got an American flag on the right shoulder sleeve. And then this one is probably my favorite oil of his, the Governor. And check out those graphics, man. Oh, so good. Now, what's cool about this shirt, you can get this shirt in multiple different colors. Of course, he's got all the standard sizes. I want to say he goes up to either a XX or a 3X. But he's got shirts for almost all of his oil scents, which is really cool. And so I love this shirt so much. I was like, Abraham, we got to hook our viewers up with some type of discount on this video. And so he gave me a code. I'm going to pull up my notes here. It is, and I'll drop a link in the description as below, Barbu Shirts 10 will give you 10% off of their t-shirts. Now these start at about $26 or $27 and then go on up depending on what sizes and colors and combos you order. But really one of my favorite t-shirts, just super soft. And I love his logo. I've always joked with him. He has one of my favorite logos in the business. I got it on the camo hat here. I think these are like 25, 26 bucks. That's an awesome hat, super comfortable. All right, let's talk about the beard oil here. First, let's talk about the ingredients. I'm gonna put those up there. So we've got organic sweet almond oil, organic jojoba seed oil, organic argan oil, organic moringa oil, grapeseed oil, organic castor oil, and then vitamin E. Now, the scent profile on this bad boy is hinoki, bamboo, and cherry. And I thought best, rather than pointing you to the website to read the description, I just thought I would read it for you. So I've got this little printout here. It's the Ronin. So this is the scent of it and the story of it. Ronin simply translates to wandering man in Japanese. The Ronin was a masterless samurai that roamed the lands freely. Most samurais have lords. Some samurais' lords get killed by the enemy during battle. The samurai then becomes free of his duties. They can either become outlaws or join the good fight. The choice is theirs now. Ronins are rebels. Beardsmen are rebels. We grow and wear our beards proudly, not concerned what others think. We are masterless warriors. Miyamoto Musashi, killing me, was a Ronin samurai and the greatest known swordsman to have ever lived, who was never defeated in his 60 sword fights. Barbu's latest release is an exotic and unique profile with alluring complexities reminiscent of Japan's culture, landscape, and philosophy. Similar to other Barbu profiles, we take time to capture the essence and culture we choose to represent through scent. The Ronin delivers a wild, balanced, and smooth experience. Aromas of Japanese hinoki, bamboo, and cherry but never assume that these are to be taken literally, because this profile has many other hidden gems that make up this unique creation. Well said, Abraham. This stuff here, it's classy. Oh man, I get a lot of that bamboo and the hinoki wood. It's like a really clean, smooth, woodsy scent. It does have a little bit of cherry in it. A lot of times when I see cherry in beard oil products, I'm like, oh no, it's gonna smell like bathroom hand soap at the gas station or something like that. You know, often the times those things are cherry scented. Not at all with this. This is so good. Just the cleanest, tiniest bit of cherry in there. It almost smells, I mean, this is, to me, you know, AKA the business beard, I would absolutely wear this to a business meeting. I've been wearing this a lot recently. My wife loves this scent. It's just a clean, masculine, not overly woodsy. When I say woodsy, it's a very different woodsy with the hinoki wood and the bamboo than like a pine wood or something like that. So really excellent scent on this. I can't recommend this one enough. I said the Governor was my previous favorite from Barbu. This might top it. I don't know. The Governor's so good though too. But this one is really good. And I want to say he's using, yep. Look at that bottle there. It's tinted. So it's got a gradient. It goes from clear to red. See that? How cool is that? So you can actually see the oil color there. It's a light golden oil. Let's throw some of this in beard. Why not? It's that good. It's a solid medium texture. Oh yeah, perfect medium, lightweight medium. You instantly get scent duration on this. It's a good 6 to 8 hour, even longer. You know what? There's a lot of times I put this in the mornings. I'm taking a shower at night and I can still smell it in my shower. So shoot, I'd say almost 12 to 14 hours. Just very clean. Oh man, this is a pleasure to use every time. This is one of those that, you know, this will be on the top scents of 2021 for sure. Just that good. Now, he also has the butter I mentioned. Again, you can get the butter in any scent you want. I happen to pick it up in the Shaman scent. Shaman is a smoky, very different from the Ronin, but very good as well. And so I've got a printout for the Shaman. Again, Abraham's descriptions are so good that like I had to copy and paste this, print it out, and be able to read it to you. I highly advise you to go to barbubeardco.com and check out his scent descriptions. Probably some of the best writing and write-ups I've seen. All right, the Shaman Profile, and I just pulled a little bit of this out. The Shaman Profile is composed of several oils and scents considered sacred throughout history. Known by the Incas for its purifying powers, Palo Santo, frankincense used in the Middle East and during the early years of Christianity, was used in burial rituals and buried alongside the dead as an offering. Nag Champa, a meditative scent, was considered as a very sacred scent. Burning these incense sticks formed an integral part of any Hindu or Buddhist ceremony. These are the primary notes in combination with several other holy scents used in Native American ceremonies. So again, you've got Palo Santo, frankincense, Nag Champa, as well as some other scents used in Native American ceremonies. And so the Shaman, man, let me show you the consistency of his butter. This to me is like a full-bodied butter. Ingredients are going to be beeswax, shea butter, kokum butter, jojoba butter, sweet almond oil, vitamin E, coconut oil, and castor oil. Almost all of those are organic and non-GMO. And so, excellent product. I would have no reservations recommending any of Barbu's products to you guys. They're based in South Florida, Miami, I believe. Abraham's been doing this for years, guys. He was right along when I got this channel started. like 3-4 years ago. Who knows? Time's flying by. But anyway, guys, highly, highly recommend you pick up the Ronin here. Really good scent. I think this will be, one of your top 10 scents as well. Just an overall excellent scent. So give Barbu a try. Let me know what you think. Drop a comment below if you tried Barbu before or any of these scents. I think they're excellent. I think you'll love them.